Hi guys, I don't know what day today it is of my speaking challenge. I just want to speak English, that's why I am here. So yeah, so today I don't have topic, but yeah, I have changed my approach to speak about deep psychology to revise my questions of my of my diploma because I have exams after 10 days. So why I'm not revisioning that questions here and what I have learned in those questions that I'll tell here. So it will be my revision or then I can perform better in exams. So let's start my revision. So the first question was it is from software engineering. The first question was um, explain structured programming. What is structured programming? Structured programming structured sorry Structured programming is a programming approach in which a program is written in a clear, logical, and organized way using control structure like sequence and selection and irritations. What does that mean? Structured programming is a programming approach where code is written in a clear and logical and organized way. So way of using control structure like sequencing, selection, and iteration. So what is sequencing? When instructions are executed one after another, that is sequencing. Example, step by step. Step 1, after step 1 is step 2, and after step 2 is step 3. And the selection, what is selection? It is used to choose between different paths based on a condition. So it can if as switch case statements means if it can conditional statements. And now iteration means loop, like used to repeat a set of instruction multiple times. Example, for loop, while loop. And what are the features of structured programming? Program is divided into small parts. It is easy to understand the program, and you use proper indication and structure, and you always use of go to avoid sorry not use avoid use of go to statements. So what are the advantages of structured programming? It is easy to understand, it reduces error, improves your readability, and easy to maintain, and reusable code through functions. That is structured programming. So our second question is what is prototype? Explain with examples. Just prototype, a initial version of a software, so that is developed to show how the final system will look and work, and it is used to understand the user requirements and get the feedback from the user, so user can tell us how I want the final project. So it help us to get better result. So what are the purposes of prototype? To understand user needs, user to get the user feedback, and demonstrate system functionality to reduce errors in the final development. That's the purpose of prototype. And there are two types of prototype. The first type is throw away prototype, means you created a prototype, and after using that prototype you will throw away that prototype. That means discard after use. So this is the first one, and the second one is evolutionary prototype. Well, what is evolutionary prototype? Is means you create a prototype, and after using that prototype you will enhance that prototype to a final system or version, you can say system. Yeah, I mean continuously improved and become the final system. So if I have to give an example of prototype, what is prototype? And yeah, means suppose a company wants to develop a online shopping website, means e-commerce website. So what will developer do is only develop a basic websites like login page or add to cart page or product list, and show the user that's a final project look, and what are the UI or something, that how this project work. And after that um, after using that prototype, that I'm giving the example of uh, even evolutionary prototype. So after showing that prototype to the user, the developer add more filters, improve design. So based on feedback, the final uh, system is developed. So yeah, this is all about prototype. If and if I have to give an advantages of what is yeah, means what are the advantages of prototypes. So it helps us to get a better understanding of requirements and user. So it improves communication between user and developer. So it also reduces development risk and saves time and cost. Yeah. So now it's been 6 minutes and I have to wrap up this video. I don't know why I wanna revise more, but yeah, my time is over and now I should wrap up this video because it's been 6 minutes now. Bye guys, and I'll back to you tomorrow with my revision, not new topic. Bye guys, bye for now.